Hello, it has been a long time since I've been on video. I feel quite awkward. I'm packing for a 2-week trip. I'm going on 2 back-to-back cruises, and I am bringing one bag. For a lot of women, this is very challenging, and maybe for a lot of people in general, this is challenging, but I am up to the challenge, and I have cruised many, many times, and I can tell you that 80% of the stuff you bring, you do not use. Or if you're me, you just wear the same outfit all the time and it doesn't really matter, does it? I will say, if you want to see what's in my bag and kind of replicate it, I'm a very active person. I'm not doing like the dress up days for the cruises. So, I have to take that into consideration with what type of things I bring. Usually it's more like activewear and things like that. But if you want to dress up and do like the special events that they have for the cruises, definitely feel free to make some substitutions as needed. And this, of course, is just my suggestion and what I like to do. I have done extensive research on travel backpacks, and I will tell you, this is it. This is my favorite travel bag. This is the Allpa from Cotopaxi. It's their 35-liter bag, and it comes in a lot of fun colors. It's really unique because it has this clamshell. Opens kind of like a suitcase, and you have multiple compartments on either side. It allows you to be very organized, and you can see it's like pretty deep, so you can fit a lot of different things in here. And I've used this for quite a few trips, and I'm never disappointed, and it fits more than you think. And with the price of luggage on airlines like going up, I'm just a one bag kind of girl right now, and it's super easy, especially if you're cruising, to just come in with your bag, have all your stuff ready to go when the staterooms are open. You can unpack before anybody will even get their luggage delivered to their rooms. So that's why I tend to lean towards just traveling lean with the backpack. So let's pack it. All right, so here's everything that I will be needing over the next 2 weeks, and I will post my full list so that you can see if you're interested. It's all going in that bag. And as you can see, everything is pretty plain and interchangeable. And I did that on purpose because I'm not really bringing a lot. And guess what? I think I will have some space left in there. This is a great bag. Hello? Okay. Can you see me? Can you hear me? Okay. I have 4 bottoms. And honestly, I probably don't need these, but these are like super cute, comfy, flowy pants that I love to put on at the end of the day when you just came back from being out in the sun, and then you take that shower and then you're all cold and you want something nice and cozy to put on. I like to walk around in these in the evening. I honestly will wear these to dinner. I don't care what I look like in the dining room. There is a wide variety of people who dress differently, and if you're feeling some type of way, just go to the Windjammer and literally no one will care. But I like to wear these with like a cute little crop and this white button down. This is the most versatile, amazing piece that I have that I bring with me. It's lightweight. I've worn this on many cruises, and it's great for covering up a dress, covering up a casual outfit. If you're out at the port and you forget to bring an outer layer or sunscreen, this will save you. I absolutely love this. So anyway, back to the bottoms. I have my comfy sweats, and I can honestly chill in the room with those too. 1 pair of black leggings. It's super small, don't take up a lot of space. I have these North Face shorts, and they're kind of like water resistant. I can wear them out at port. I can wear them on a sea day. I wear them to the pool. They dry really fast. I'll probably wear these to the gym too. So very versatile. And if they get kind of nasty, like I get laundry service once a week because I'm Diamond Plus, But if these get nasty, I can wash them in the sink and they dry very quickly, like overnight. So it's a great piece to have. And then I have another pair of shorts. These are the brand Cool. I really like them. They're like super stretchy and don't get like, I don't want to say soiled, but kind of. They don't get soiled really. So I like to wear these. They're very versatile, very comfy, great for walking around. If you want like a different look, I would just pack a pair of jean shorts instead. So a leggings, a versatile short, and then a jean short, or possibly a skirt. And then for tops, I have basic white, basic black, basic beige, just kidding. 2 graphic tees. I like these because I like to wear them to the gym, and I don't like to be stinky and sweaty when I go to the gym, so I like to have extra shirts to switch out. And then 2 really small tank tops. They honestly don't take up a lot of space. Oh, very important, a long sleeve, lightweight shirt. This is like Patagonia, but I mean, honestly, anything. They sell these everywhere nowadays. Because I don't like to put on a lot of sunscreen, but I do love to cover up if I'm out. It's the easiest thing that you can do is just to wear something to prevent sunburn. And that Caribbean sun is muy caliente and you will get roasted. So I like to bring this. And sometimes it's cold on the cruise ship, so it's very versatile. Like I said, my favorite white button down, I got this on Amazon and it is amazing. And then I like to bring one neutral dress, just a black dress. You can wear this if you're worried about how you look on formal night. I can wear this. I'm wearing it with my Birkenstocks. I don't care. These are dress up or dress down shoes, so it works. But I like to wear this to the pool. I like to wear it on formal night. I can wear it with my little white thingamajiggy, and I'm cute, you know? Something very versatile. I also have an athletic dress that I've worn in the past too that's just plain black, and you can wear that out at port and stuff, and I've honestly worn it to dinner and things like that too. Swimsuit. This is makeup and medicine and shampoo and conditioner, that type of stuff. All your toiletries. Then you want to bring just like your underwear, bras, socks, stuff like that. And then any kind of tech you might need. I'm in school, so I have to bring my laptop and my charger. But one thing that I strongly suggest that you bring, and I've seen many cruise packing lists and they're like, so many things. You totally don't need to bring that many. The one thing that I do like to bring is an extension cord. Optional is an HDMI cord. I have an Android, so I like to use the HDMI to C, so I can connect my phone to the TV and then I can just stream Netflix or whatever I want to watch. And then hat for sun protection and medicine. If you get sick on the cruise and you have to go to the infirmary, you really don't want to do that. It's expensive. So I've heard. I've not done it, but I bring literally every medicine that you could think of. One of the most important things to bring, in my opinion, is, I don't want to say the word diarrhea, but I will say anti-diarrheal or Pepto. That is something that you absolutely cannot buy on board because they're trying to mitigate the risk of spreading an infection if there's some kind of virus that's out there. They want to know about it, especially if people are sick in that way. So they will not sell that on board. Just a tip from me to you, I would bring that with you. So that's pretty much everything in the bag besides, sleep shirt. You can save space if you just sleep naked. But, so I'm going to put this all in the bag and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, here's the bag all packed, ready to go. The side compartment with my computer, my iPad, and my notebooks. All the clothes here. and then everything else fits. So I will be wearing this stuff plain, and I obviously have a plain outfit, but I'll zip this up and be ready to go. Okay, so it's all packed up, and that's what it looks like on my back. It will definitely fit in an overhead bin. Probably won't fit under your seat unless you're wearing a lot of your clothes, but I did leave some space. I didn't overpack it in case I want to bring something back from the trip. I'm flying Spirit, so fingers crossed that I get away with the one bag. I've had success in the past, but most importantly, I will have everything I need on my person, and that is just such a relief to me. And not only am I saving money, I'm just making things so much simpler for myself. So that is the goal after all. Keep it simple, keep it fun, keep it light, and good luck on your cruise, and I hope this helps someone out there. All right, take care.